You didn't gain that belly fat because of bad habits. You gained it because your body changed the rules and nobody told you. After age 40, your body starts a silent transformation. At 44, then again at 60, you're hit with internal shifts that rewire how your body stores fat, even if your weight stays the same. And what's scary, it's not gradual, it's fast. One day your jeans fit, the next, your belly's spilling over. The problem. What's going on? Your fat cells are multiplying, inflammation is rising, your hormones flip, and muscle, your main fat-burning engine, starts to vanish. It's called sarcopenic obesity. More fat, less muscle, and the scale doesn't even budge. For women, menopause pours gasoline on the fire. Estrogen drops and belly fat triples. For men, testosterone quietly fades away, and visceral fat sneaks in like a thief at night. The result? A body you no longer recognize, despite doing everything right, promise and hope. But here's the good news, it's not your fault, and it's totally fixable. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reverse the fat storing code and reboot your metabolism naturally, without crash diets, without endless cardio, and without starving yourself. Muscle first. First step, save your muscle. After 40, you lose 1% of it every year unless you fight back. How? Start with just 2 to 3 short resistance sessions a week. You don't need a gym, just your own body. Chair stands, wall push-ups, resistance bands. Simple moves, real results. Pair it with protein, 20 to 30 grams per meal. Not chicken weight, actual protein content. That's how you stop muscle loss and reignite fat burn from within. Fasting wisely. Next, let your body clean house. Fasting, when done right, activates something called autophagy. It's your body's internal reset button. 12 to 16 hours of not eating lets insulin drop, switches fat storage off, and turns fat-burning genes on. Try finishing your last meal by 3 p.m. and don't eat again until breakfast. That small window, huge difference. Beat the belly hormones. Still gaining belly fat despite eating better and moving more? Blame cortisol, your stress hormone. After 40, it stays high and tells your body to hoard fat. Fix your sleep. Cold, dark room, no screens an hour before bed. Add magnesium glycinate or glycine to calm night waking. And cut off food 3 hours before sleep. Late night eating spikes insulin, blocks melatonin, and traps you in fat storage mode. Heal the gut, burn the fat. You're not just what you eat, you're what your gut does with it. After 40, your gut bacteria shift and belly fat skyrockets. Bring it back in balance with fiber-rich foods, flaxseed, berries, lentils, and fermented superfoods like kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. Ditch the processed junk, seed oils, and sugar. Just 2 weeks of eating clean can start transforming your gut and your waistline. Final key, your secret weapon. Still stuck? It could be your liver. If your liver is clogged, it can block fat burning completely. In my next video, I'll reveal 6 powerful food hacks to unclog your liver, melt stubborn fat, and finally get your metabolism back online. This is the step everyone misses. Don't skip it. So if you're over 40 and serious about belly fat, click the next video right here. You've made it this far. Now let's finish the fix.